Ever stumbled across a gadget so strange you had to look twice? These weird Amazon finds might look unusual at first, but once you see what they do, it all starts to make sense. From oddly clever tools to surprisingly useful inventions, people can't stop talking about them. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Imagine a recliner that's not just a chair, but a fully drivable construction site. Heavy equipment recliners merge plush comfort with playful engineering, turning forklifts, bulldozers, and excavators into motorized loungers you can actually operate. Joysticks control lifting forks, tilting scoops, or bucket footrests, while battery-powered wheels or tracks let you cruise across your living room. Lights, sounds, and realistic attachments make every movie night or lazy afternoon an immersive, joyride-ready experience. Step inside the coziest hug you'll ever get with these giant animal loungers. Shaped like open-mouthed lions, hippos, whales, and more, they wrap you in soft faux fur and memory foam padding. Inside, there's even a built-in 4K TV, ambient LED lighting, and USB ports for your devices. Modular and sturdy, they hold up to 700 pounds while letting you lounge, nap, or binge watch in total comfort. Playful, immersive, and totally unique, this isn't furniture. It's a mini animal kingdom of relaxation. Take out the trash without touching a thing with this smart trash can. Its motion sensor opens the lid when you wave your hand or kick lightly. Press a button and it automatically seals the bag, then replaces it with a fresh one. No more messy bag changes. Voice prompts guide you, making it simple for everyone to use. Sleek, hygienic, and surprisingly convenient, this trash can turns a chore into a hands-free experience. Start your tea ritual with a dash of whimsy. The tea trap transforms loose leaf brewing into a playful, hands-on experience. Just fill its cute Venus fly trap-shaped mouth with your favorite tea, steep in hot water, and watch it work its magic. Dishwasher safe and crafted from food-safe materials, it's as practical as it is fun. Perfect for adding flavor, personality, and a sprinkle of joy to your daily cup. Stop juggling mismatched lids and containers. These silicone stretch lids have you covered. Flexible and heat-resistant, they fit bowls, jars, cups, and even cans, sealing in freshness without fuss. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, they're reusable and eco-friendly, cutting down on plastic waste. Stackable and space-saving, they keep your fridge and pantry neat while making cleanup a breeze. Colorful, practical, and durable, your leftovers just found their perfect match. Turn stress into pure relaxation with this cordless scalp massager. Its 12 soft prongs gently massage your head, easing tension and helping you unwind after a long day. 3 adjustable modes let you choose the perfect level of comfort, while the 360-degree design reaches every spot on your scalp. Lightweight and portable, you can take it anywhere for a quick refresh. Simple, soothing, and surprisingly satisfying, your head will thank you. Keep your pup hydrated and fed on the go with this clever water bottle. It has a built-in bowl and food container, so water and treats are always within reach. The leak-proof design and carbon filter keep water fresh and clean, while one-handed operation makes it super easy to use. Made from safe, heat-resistant materials, it's perfect for walks, hikes, or trips to the park. Simple, portable, and practical, your furry friend will thank you. Bring your music anywhere with this compact Bluetooth speaker. Pair it easily with your phone and enjoy clear sound without any messy wires. Built-in FM, USB, and TF card slots mean you can play your favorite tunes any way you like. Take calls hands-free with the built-in mic, or turn up the volume for a mini party anywhere. Small, versatile, and surprisingly powerful, this speaker keeps your music going wherever you go. Unleash your inner artist with Scribbly, the drawing robot that makes creativity easy and fun. It guides you step by step, showing exactly how to turn simple lines into amazing pictures. With voice instructions, it feels like a friendly art coach cheering you on. Choose from 50 designs, from unicorns to spaceships, and watch your creations come to life. Rechargeable and all-in-one, Scribbly keeps the fun going without any screen time. Say goodbye to overcooked spaghetti with Pasta Man, your new kitchen sidekick. This clever tool tests pasta for perfect doneness while letting steam escape safely from your pot. Just stick him in your noodles and watch him signal when it's just right. Dishwasher safe and food safe, he makes cooking pasta fun and worry-free. Small, simple, and a little silly, he turns a basic task into a playful kitchen moment. Sitting up straight just got a lot easier with this kid's posture corrector. Its M-shaped rails support the natural curve of the spine, keeping your back comfortable during homework or reading. The built-in vision protector helps reduce eye strain, keeping your eyes healthy while you study. Adjustable and soft, it fits kids of all shapes and sizes without restricting movement. Simple, smart, and practical, your child can sit tall and confident wherever they learn. Making your bed just got way easier with this clever mattress lifter. It slips under your mattress and holds it up so you can tuck sheets, blankets, and bed skirts without straining your back. The ergonomic handle gives you control, letting you lift with one hand or two comfortably. Say goodbye to broken nails and awkward angles. Your bed looks crisp and perfect every time. Simple, smart, and a little life-saving for anyone who dreads bed making. Add some fun to your drink time with this playful turtle cup holder. Place your cup on its back and watch the turtle's limbs lift while its expressive face reacts to the weight. Made from heat and water-resistant plastic, it protects surfaces from spills and scratches. The textured shell and vibrant color make it a quirky piece of decor for any table or desk. It's also a fun DIY project and a perfect gift for turtle lovers. Warm beer can ruin a perfectly good drink. These stainless steel chiller sticks keep your bottle ice cold without watering it down. Just place them in the freezer, then slide one straight into your bottle when you're ready to drink. The metal core cools the liquid from the inside, helping every sip stay refreshing. It's a simple trick that keeps your drink chilled until the last drop. Forget boring garlic prep. Meet Gracula, your tiny kitchen vampire. This twist-top crusher minces garlic in seconds, keeping your hands odor-free and your meals full of flavor. Just press, twist, and watch it work. And you can even use it on ginger, nuts, herbs, or chili. Its clever design makes crushing effortless while adding a fun, quirky touch to your counter. Quick, easy, and a little spooky, meal prep just got way more entertaining. Noisy, shaking washers can drive you crazy. These anti-vibration pads keep your machine stable and quiet, even during heavy loads. The tank tread-inspired grip locks your washer in place, while the rubber dampens noise and movement. A built-in level helps you adjust the feet perfectly, so the machine won't walk or wobble. Just slip the pads under each foot and enjoy a calmer, more peaceful laundry day. Cleaning up after your dog doesn't have to ruin your walk. This portable pooper scooper makes the job quick, simple, and hands-free. The clamp-style design grabs waste easily, while a bag lines the inside for mess-free disposal. A built-in clip lets you attach it right to your leash, so it's always within reach. Just squeeze, scoop, and keep enjoying your walk. Hot summer days call for a better way to cool off. This inflatable backyard pool turns any patio or lawn into a relaxing mini water lounge. Built-in seats with backrests let you sit comfortably while the water keeps you refreshed. Cup holders keep your drinks close so you can truly unwind. Just inflate it, fill it up, and you've got an instant hangout spot for family and friends. Cleaning your floors can be as easy as taking a walk. These microfiber mop slippers turn your feet into handy little cleaning tools. Slip them over your shoes or wear them barefoot, and they start picking up dust, hair, and dirt as you move around. The soft fibers trap debris while protecting your floors from scratches. When they get dirty, just toss them in the wash, and they're ready to clean again. Saving money just got a lot more entertaining. This quirky coin bank looks like a face that literally eats your spare change. Place a coin near its mouth, and it automatically opens up and gobbles it down. The motion sensor makes the whole process feel playful and surprising every time. It's a fun way to encourage kids and even adults to start saving their coins. Your headphones deserve better than being tossed on a desk. This sculpted headphone stand gives them a clean and stylish place to rest when you're done listening. The tall, organic shape holds your headset securely while helping the headband keep its natural form. A textured surface adds grip and a modern look that stands out on any setup. Just place it on your desk, and your workspace instantly feels more organized. Ear care usually means messy tools and uncomfortable digging. This smart ear cleaning system takes a completely different approach. It uses a combination of gentle water irrigation and micro-suction to safely break down and remove stubborn earwax. The automated design keeps the process controlled and hygienic while you simply sit back and relax. In just minutes, your ears feel clean, refreshed, and your hearing can instantly feel clearer. Cooking pasta shouldn't feel like a guessing game. This floating pasta timer goes straight into the pot and tells you exactly when your noodles are ready. As it boils alongside the pasta, it tracks the cooking time and sings different tunes at key moments. Each melody signals a different doneness level, so you know when it's perfectly al dente. Just drop it in the water and let the music guide your meal. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.